Sheikh, can we give Qurbani meat to non-Muslim neighbors? Yes, you can give. You can give to the non-Muslim neighbors, and also like gifts can be given to the neighbors, and this is, alhamdulillah, something which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the opportunity to share our happiness and to talk about our religion, because non-Muslims could be Christians. And Qurbani is related, very similar Qurbani is known to them and to us as well. So the Christians, they have got the Qurbani concept of, they narrate the same story but changing the name of the son of Ibrahim alayhi salam. In the Bible, they have got Ishaq alayhi salam, who was the son of Ibrahim, and Allah asked him to slaughter him, but instead of Ishaq, Allah has substituted with the ram, which is, we call it Qurbani. So that the story is there in the Bible as well. And also in our Quran, the story is about Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salam. So when you give this Qurbani meat to the neighbor, and the neighbor is a Christian, you can tell that our story is about Ismail, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has changed to, from the substitution of the human life to the ram and goat and sheep. So that way. Also at the same time, you can give the da'wah that the belief of the Christians, when they believe, they say that Isa alayhi salam was the one who was substituted. Isa alayhi salam was the one who was substituted instead of ram. But that story is actually not something that can be defined, because according to the Christianity, according to Islam, and according to the Judaism, all those people who were believing in Allah in the Old Testament, New Testament and Quran, they all believe in Allah. And Allah is the one who gave the ruling of substitution of the ram for Ibrahim alayhi salam in the Old Testament. Allah is the one who gave us the substitute of from Ismail alayhi salam to ram. It is our same Allah. So how come that two religions, they believe in Allah, and the one religion who also believes in Allah, and they bring this story of sacrificing of the human life, which is Isa alayhi salam. So that is the best way you can, mashallah, give the dawah as well.